Good morning, everyone. Usually, I do the skincare video on Tuesday since it was like I was announcing the grab bags. I didn't do it yesterday. So, today I'm going to talk about a skincare product, and it's none other than the climate control. This is one product I would say everyone needs it, no matter what skin type is. Even though dry and normal to dry is like a must have, it is like everybody should have their in their skincare routine, because it's called as miracle in a bottle, because that's how good the product is. I my YouTube channel had many videos. Unfortunately, it did not have climate control in a separate video. I thought, okay, why not make it? Because, as I said, it is a product I will suggest for every skin type. It is like something everyone in the family can use. You can pretty much use it all over your body, like, because it is like a hydrating things, so you can use anywhere, like whether if you have chapped in your knees or dryness in your elbows, anywhere you can pretty much use it. And for my face, I don't have any makeup. Yesterday when I was talking to a customer, she was talking about my acne journey, and then she said, I thought you were having makeup to cover it every time. So I was like, 90% of the time I try to have minimal makeup, like that's why I go with CCTM, because I don't do heavy foundation most of the days. So you can see this is no makeup face. I just practice my eyes every day, because as I said, eyeshadows are something I started only last mid-May or something. After that only I started learning, so I like to practice it more. For today's look, I just have desert rose and sun-baked shimmer on my eyes, and my lips has crystal mauve with sweet pea. So for my face, I just have my skincare, no makeup. So I thought I would first show that, because that is why I'm so proud to represent these products, because these products really work, and also it makes a huge difference in your everyday skincare routine. I have seen people just grab whatever you have in stores, just get tempted with the bottles, but when you know the product really well and know the ingredients and the purpose of it, you will appreciate how much value is packed in these bottles. So if you are already set with the basic skincare, which is the cleanser day and night time, then obviously the first thing we talk about is the climate control, because it is one product, as I said, can work for anybody, even in my family, including my son. He loves climate control for as I said, any time of the day, because it is not sticky at all. That's the first thing he likes about it. Second thing is it's easily absorbed, so it won't feel heavy or what is it, like sticky on his face, which he doesn't like. And also it is not a moisturizer, so don't confuse climate control with a moisturizer. There are two different things. When you moisturize, you are going to do it on a skin level, whereas climate control is like more like hydrating. That means it's going to go deeper into your cellular level, and it's going to activate your cells. That is the basic difference. It's that's why it's more powerful, and it's more what is it, like it's more works to every skin type. And even if you just see the description in the beauty book, I'm just going to read it for you. It says, hydration is in the purest form. This miracle in a bottle helps even the driest skin regain its healthy glow and moisture content. Its unique delivery system keeps key ingredients separated until it's shaken, combined, and activated. So the ingredients are listed. The three key ingredients here are Celplex complex, which is a herbal oil extracts and vitamins that increases the moisture. Next, sodium hyalurate protects against moisture loss, and glucosamine HCl helps deliver and firmer looking skin. So that is why I like to send the beauty book, because you should know why you are putting a product on your face, because each product has its own purpose, and it each serves in a different way. It's been mentioned, it comes in a unique delivery system. So when it arrives this is how it arrives. Our products are vegan, they are not animal tested, they are not animal, they don't have any animal products and animal byproducts, they are GMO free, and they are made completely in US. So all these are key things to consider while buying. As I said, it comes in a bottle like this, and if you see it, it comes in um, two different type of things. One is a liquid, whereas you can see the other one is like a gel consistency. It's not activated, so that's the difference. So when it comes in a dark blue. Once you get activated, it should turn into a light blue gel like consistency. If you are a first timer, I try to activate and send it to the customer, but I thought now some of you are like to stocking up. For example, if I'm sending two of them, I don't want you to get activated before sending, because there is a reason why they haven't activated. There is no emulsifiers that is going to keep the product mixed, because once you add those, the particles become bigger and it cannot penetrate well. That is the reason they want you to activate when it reaches you, because some of the key ingredients are they have more maximum potential when it is activated. For example, think it like this: if you cut and keep a broccoli, it's going to stay even fresh at least for 4-5 hours, whereas when you cut a apple or something which is going to oxidize, it's going to turn bad after 4 or 5 hours. So same way, our activated vitamin C, which is like the Sanasaram C or something, they are more very powerful, because they are kept in a way that way it can protect that it gets activated only when it is delivered. So that is the reason they have kept it in this way, so that the customer can activate it and get the maximum benefit out of it. So that's why I try to do it. I checked, I don't think I have a video in YouTube or here where I showed activating it. So I wanted to do it so that going forward I can send it as it is, and the customer can activate by themselves. And once it is activated, it should be thick, and just it comes in a spraying bottle. So let's first activate it. And as I said, it has Cellplex complex and Senaplex complex. You all know Senaplex complex is a kinetic enzyme. It's a proprietary thing for Senegens. No other company in the world can use it. It's only present in Senegens products, and it helps for faster cellular turnover. Usually as we age, the getting new cells, the cycle becomes from 28 days to more than that. So what it does is it's going to increase the it's going to increase the time, so that way you will get it in faster time. I think it increases by 23.3%. That means you are going to get the new cells faster. And the same way, when the cells generate in different layers, it has to come up. But as we age, when it comes up, it's plumpier at the end, but when it comes up, it's going to lose the firmness, and it's not supple. So since it's going to help hydrate at the cellular level, when it comes up, it's going to be even plumpier. For example, this has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a natural thing that is present in our skin, but as we age, it is like it's like a buffer in the cellular level, where it's going to give that firmness. But as we age, the hyaluronic acid production is going to lower it. So that is why climate control comes into play, because what it does is it's going to pull the moisture from the air, and it's going to absorb in your skin. So that way, the more your skin is hydrated, the more it feels youthful and firm. So that is the key purpose of climate control here. Let's go ahead and activate it. To activate, you don't have to do anything manually. You just shake it or hit it hard in your hands. What it does is it slowly starts mixing the two liquids, and that way it will turn into a gel consistency. I know I try to do it at least for 1 or 2 minutes because I want to make, do you see it's slowly started to mix, and it's starting to make into the gel consistency. So until you don't hear the sound, that is the end point you are going to stop. So make sure you do it really what is it, like well shaken. That way the product should feel like as if you are spraying water. It shouldn't feel like sticky or oily. So that will be the really nice consistency to stop. It's almost there, so I still have a little few more spots left, which I'm going to do now. So it's almost there, so I have done it. If you have seen, I think I have shared pictures before. For example, if you take a raisin which is like dried up, you can soak it in the climate control and see even by I think 24 hours you can see it hydrates and plumps it back. That's how it does it for our skin too. For example, it helps with collagen production too. So when you touch your skin, you can see it's bounce back. So that's the firmness you are looking for your skin. That shows that your skin cells are nice and plumpier. So when it is not plumpy, obviously it will be like sagging, and you will start to see wrinkles and all those signs. And also, if you see the molecular weight of the product, it is the smallest molecule that can penetrate into your skin level. As you know, we have tiny pores in our skin, and it has to penetrate deeper into your cell level. So think of that. So if they add anything extra, it will not go deeper into the skin level. So that is the purpose they kept it in the minimalistic purest form, so that way it can hydrate at the same time. The purpose is to go deeper into the cellular level. And if you see the beauty book itself, once you cleanse or exfoliate, those are like just washing the face. So this will be the first one. I will tell them to treat the treatments, because treatments are mostly going to go, for example, if it is dark circle, it's going to go only here. If it is brightening, you are going to take tiny bit and address wherever you have the spot. So most of them are like spot treatments. For example, the Spartan treatment will go only where you have acne or any breakout. So the second product that goes on your skin will be climate control, because you want this one to be on your skin to the maximum level. So if you are using some Sanaserum C, then you can mix they both and then apply it too. This comes in a spray bottle. You can see it's in a spraying consistency, but I like to take it in my hand. You can spray it all over your face too, but you will waste it, which I don't want to do. I don't want to waste this product. If you have seen our CEO's video, she has like this much bigger bottle than us, because she is obviously our CEO. So she has a special edition, because this is a product you can literally if you can literally bathe in it. That's how much good it is. So what I'll do is I just take 2 pumps in my hand. This is how much I will do, because I use it twice a day. Morning once I cleanse my face, the same way evening once I cleanse my face. I add the Sanaserum C, or you can even add the brightening here, and then mix it with your hand and apply it all over. You can even just pat it. Since I don't have any makeup, I'm going to do it anyway. I just have a daytime moisturizer, but the other thing with this product is you want to seal it with the moisturizer. As I said, this is not a moisturizer, this hydrates. So think of it as drinking a lots of water, how your body feels. This is how your skin is going to feel. You can see it's not sticky, it doesn't show any oily sign, it doesn't have anything. It will immediately absorb wherever you want to. And if you are someone who has more sun exposure while in beach or even walking or doing something, then you can use this product. This will feel so good. I have sometimes had chapped legs, thighs, and I have applied it, I will say. But as I said, even if it is bug bites or anything, this really works nicely on those. And The other thing to use is you can even mix it with our hydrating mist. If you don't know this product, you go check it in our YouTube. This is another anti-aging product. It is a underutilized product. I know at least climate control, everybody knows. This hydration mist is something people doesn't know. This is similar to climate control but not exactly the same. This is a product which can go on top of your makeup or below your makeup, anywhere, anytime you need. And they made it in a clear bottle because that way you can travel with it. I know many people who travel during air travel or something, they feel dry on their skin. That's why it has a clear bottle and it comes under that size. So that way you can have it in your carry-on itself and spritz it all over. And you can keep it in the refrigerator for summer days and spritz it all over when you are like feel like you need like extra moisture. As I said, even in office or anywhere, if you are someone who feels dry, you can keep it because it's not going to break your makeup and it can be worn on top of the makeup. So the other cool thing about climate control is it's not only going to the deeper cellular level, but it's also going to pull other products you are going to put on top of that, like anything else that follows in the order. It's going to even pull those inside your skin, so make it more what to say, like powerful. So that is the other thing it makes it different from the normal products. When it comes to Senaplex Complex, I have heard Joni say that's a product that works 100% on any skin type, any age group, whether male or female, because that's like really amazing, because you cannot say what to say, like unless you have strong proof and results, it's hard for something you discover that can work on every skin tone and 100% results. So that's like what to say, like it's a biggest plus when it comes to Senegen's products. And I know as I said last month, climate control was one of my top sellers. So I kept reordering it every time and it was flying out of my shelf. So that's how much people started using it. And also it's one product that can last you even for 4 to 6 months, like depending on how much you use. So for me, I use only two pumps in the morning, 2 pumps in the evening, and once it goes down, this doesn't come in our airless pump like anything else, like you have seen our foundation or daytime moisturizer which all comes up. Since it's like a sprayable form, it doesn't. So once it goes at the end, sometimes it may not come in the spritz. So what you can do is you can just open it and just scrape out every last thing it has, because it's like so much value for the money and you don't want to even waste a single bit of it. I have seen people who literally cut it and take out every scrape out of it because it's so good and hydrating. So make sure you do with a spatula or anything, but you'll be able to empty it literally. So I have kept one for me and my husband and one obviously in my son's room. And it comes in the sample size too. So when you get the samples, just make sure you just activate a bit. I'm sure it's already activated, but still just give it a squeeze. That way you know it's mixed well before you use it. Even this one will last you more than a week of worth of products. That is how much you will use. So once you get it, just try it for a week or so. After a week you will know that you no longer has like a dry patch or anything. That much your skin will start to observe the moisture. And basically it is also help with any skin irritations. So that's what to say, that's why I said you can use it on your kids too. So they obviously get these kind of what is it, like patches or something. So it obviously going to soothe it. And I have seen people using on their scars because it comes under our anti-aging category. There are only, even though Senaplex Complex is going to help, there are only few products that comes under our anti-aging product category. So like the neck cream and climate control, and also this is one where it is specifically done under climate control. So whenever you see Sanasaram C, and I mean any vitamin C in basic, that's going to help your collagen production and it's going to repair the skin cells. So that is why they are categorized under the anti-aging skin category. So that's all about climate control. If you ask me to talk about it, I think I will keep saying goodness about it all day. But if you have any doubts, always feel free to ping me. And there is going to be one more skincare thing that will be starting soon. I think look for the announcement too. So that is happening this month. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.